Today I'm going to teach you how to set column widths in Power BI table. This is particularly useful when you're working with data tables and need to adjust the presentation to make your information more readable and visually appealing. Let's dive into the process. First, open your Power BI desktop application on your computer. Once it's loaded and you're in your workspace, you'll need to click on the table where you want to adjust the column widths. This will ensure that all the formatting options for that specific table become available to you. After selecting your table, direct your attention to the right side of your screen. Here you'll see a panel labeled Visualizations. This is your control center for all visual formatting in Power BI. Within this panel, locate and click on the Format icon. This icon typically looks like a paint roller, and it's positioned right underneath the Visualizations heading. Clicking this will open up a variety of formatting options specifically for your selected table. Now that you're in the formatting section, scroll down until you find the column headers option. Click on it to expand this section. This is where Power BI stores all the settings related to how your column headers behave and appear. You're getting closer to gaining full control over those column widths. Inside the column headers section, you'll see an area labeled Options. Click on it to reveal additional settings. Here's the crucial step. You'll notice a toggle button beside Auto Size Width. By default, Power BI automatically adjusts column widths based on the content, but we want manual control. Click this toggle button to turn the auto size width feature off. This step is essential because it allows you to customize each column width individually rather than letting Power BI decide for you. With auto sizing now disabled, you're ready to manually adjust your columns. Hover your mouse over the edge of any column header. You'll notice that your cursor changes, typically into a double-sided arrow. This visual cue indicates that you can now adjust the width. Simply click and drag to the left to make the column narrower, or drag to the right to make it wider. You have complete control to set each column to exactly the width you need for optimal presentation of your data. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Power BI table column widths to match your exact requirements. This level of control helps ensure your reports look professional and your data is presented clearly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.